You should use these AirPods Pro tricks every day. Learn how to use AirPods and AirPods 2. As soon as your AirPods are set up and linked, or your AirPods Pro are set up, here is easy methods to use the most typical options of the unique AirPods or the second generation AirPods 2. AirPods audio controls. Play or pause audio. By default, double tapping AirPods causes audio to start out enjoying, or if it is already enjoying, to pause. You can too pause the audio enjoying by taking the AirPods out of your ears. Skip to the subsequent observe. Double tap AirPods. This varies based mostly in your settings. Extra on that in a second. Return to the earlier observe. Double tap AirPods. This varies based mostly in your settings, too. Reply or finish a telephone name. Double tap both AirPod. In case you're at the moment on a name and have one other coming in, double tap to modify it to the brand new name. You may set every AirPod to carry out a distinct motion while you double tap it. All you must do is customize Airpods Actions in Settings. AirPods and Siri. The way you activate Siri with AirPods relies on what mannequin you've got. AirPods. Double tap both AirPod and, as soon as Siri is lively, communicate your command the best way you often would. AirPods 2. Assuming you selected it, whereas organizing your AirPods, you may activate Siri just by saying "Hey Siri," adopted by your command. Change audio outputs to AirPods. Change iPhone and iPad audio output to AirPods. If the audio out of your iPhone or iPad is not enjoying to your AirPods, you may change that. Open Control Center, then faucet the media playback controls. Faucet the AirPlay icon on the prime nook of the panel to disclose the record of output choices, then faucet AirPods. Use AirPods on a Mac. Pair your AirPods to your iPhone or iPad, and ensure you use the identical iCloud account in your Mac as in your iOS machine. Activate Bluetooth on the Mac. Click on the speaker icon within the menu bar, then select your AirPods. Flip off AirPods. You can too turn off your AirPods if you realize you are not going to be utilizing them for some time. Learn how to work with AirPods Professional. In case you've obtained AirPods Professional, the controls are completely different than the primary two generations of AirPods. This is what you have to know. AirPods Professional audio controls. Play or pause audio. To begin enjoying audio, or pause audio that is already enjoying, press, or click on, the stem of both AirPod. Skip to subsequent observe. Double-click on the stem of both AirPod to skip to the subsequent observe. Return to the earlier observe. Triple-click the AirPod stem to skip to the final observe. Reply or finish a telephone name. To reply an incoming name, or finish an lively name, click on the stem of both AirPod. To modify from one name to a different incoming name, click on the AirPod stem. AirPods Professional and Siri. Activate Siri. In case you configured "Hey Siri" when organizing your AirPods Professional, activate Siri just by saying "Hey Siri." Relying in your settings, you might also be capable to activate Siri by clicking and holding the AirPod stem. Siri instructions. As soon as you've got activated Siri, you should utilize any of the instructions Siri helps for the AirPods. These embody altering the quantity, pausing music, getting a battery degree test, and extra. Learn incoming messages. If you arrange your AirPods Professional, you may set Siri to learn your incoming textual content messages. AirPods Professional Noise Cancellation. AirPods Professional supply 3 noise discount settings to enhance your listening expertise. To entry them, join your AirPods to an iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, and faucet the quantity management. Your choices are then: Noise Cancellation. This blocks out background noise and focuses simply on the audio on your AirPods. Transparency. Reduces background noise much like noise cancellation, however lets via voices and different ambient sounds, suppose automobile sounds while you're strolling. Off. Turns off each noise cancellation and transparency. The AirPods nonetheless work, However, with all the background noise that is occurring, place your sound high quality testing. To get the perfect listening expertise together with your AirPods Professional, you have to check the sound to see if there's any sound leaking in or out. To run this check, join your AirPods to your iPhone, then faucet settings greater than Bluetooth greater than the I subsequent to AirPods Professional greater than your tip match check greater than proceed more than play button. The check outcomes will inform you whether or not your AirPods Professional match in addition to they'll or in case you want a brand new match. Altering AirPods ideas for a higher match. If the ear tip match check suggests you want a greater match, swap the default tricks to some that match higher. To do that, pull off the present tip. It requires extra drive than you might anticipate, however it would pop up off, then press the brand new ones until they snap into place. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.